Welcome back to my channel. This is Kitsamus, and in this step, which is step 3 of bag 5, we're going to finish building the diff. So we just fit the diff gear over the outdrive. In this step we're going to take the other outdrive and we're going to put the bearing in the top, which I missed from the previous step. So again, these bearings, they are sided, so we're going to make sure that the rubber shielded housing is pointing uppermost, and that's fitted nice and smoothly into the diff drive gear. Then going to place the other outdrive over the top, and at all times I'm doing this with the hex drive fitted. Next we're going to apply the fuss spring, and then we're just going to push the locking nut into the diff. There we go. Now with the locking nut pushed into the diff, I'm just going to apply a little bit of downwards pressure onto it, just so I can get the screw started. Go. That should have done it. There we go, I can actually feel that moving down now. Now the instructions recommend that we tighten this until the spring is fully compressed, and it says that you'll know when it's fully compressed because the ears of the locking T-nut will be flush with the inner part of the outdrive. There we go. So having got that fully compressed, I'm just going to turn it 1/8 of a turn in the opposite direction, which is what's recommended. And then it did say that you should be able to feel go. That feels quite nice. It's just offering a little bit of resistance, and what we'll need to do is we'll need to bed the diff in once we've got the car assembled, and then we'll have to reset it. So yep, that completes step 3 of bag 5. Hi, it's Kitsamus, and I'm back with a new haircut. So immediately after telling you not to over tighten the diff, guess what I did? Yep, I over tightened it and I managed to break the diff screw, and it snapped off right at the head of the T-nut. So what we ended up with was a broken screw, and there we go, a T-nut, and it's broken off right at the neck of it. I'm guessing this is something that happens quite often because Associated sell a T-nut and diff bolt 6575. That's the part number for when you do the same thing as me. So I'm going to put that back together, and then one thing I missed off on the video was you've got a little cap there, and you put that over the head of the screw and that'll stop dirt getting into it, and then you'll just need to remove that to adjust it. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Cheers.